I am Archbishop Emeritus Bernard Morris of the Archdiocese of Bangalore. Initially a priest of the Diocese of Mangalore. I had a great desire to visit the Same mission adopted by the Mangalore Diocese. Unexpectedly, an opportunity came in to visit this Same mission. First of all, I thank God for this opportunity the Lord gave me to experience the mission work that is carried out by the priests of the Mangalore Diocese in the Same Diocese in Tanzania. I had the opportunity to visit the school run by the diocese, the Same missionaries, and offer mass for them to the students on the Ash Wednesday, and I was really impressed by the students who were so, I would say, attentive during the holy sacrifice of the Mass. They were very, very hospitable, very participative, as well as they gave full heart and soul, so to say, in the participation in the liturgy. I went around the whole campus of the school, and I would like to say it was so good environment that over the years it is going to be one of the leading school in Tanzania. Already it is in the 34th position in the country. I was also fortunate to offer Mass this morning in the parish church and meet Rupert House children, and the service the fathers render to these poor children to bring them up, educate them, and make them really well-known citizens of this country is praiseworthy. The sacrifice the fathers and sisters are doing for their sake is to be imitated by all of us. Finally, I had also the opportunity to visit the mission house and then St. Joseph Farm. Father Alvin, the director, and Prashant, the manager, took me around the farm and various experiments they are undertaking to make this farm not only a self-reliant, a farm model to train youth of the country and also make it very productive so that it could also yield income. Lots of experiments have been carried out in various fields of the farming, making it what they call a non-chemical oriented farm, so that the fruits, the vegetables produced over there is very, very healthy. I congratulate Father Alvin for the initiative that is taking, interest that is taking, and the knowledge that is acquired in the farming. If I had another opportunity to come after 10 years, if God keeps me, I'm sure this 50 acres of land that the farm has would be a garden of Eden where it will be so prosperous. Giving an example, the whole country, what one can do to develop the native technology and also develop the people of the country. I wish Father Alvin, St. Joseph Farm, and all those who are associated with him, God's choicest blessing. Mangalore Diocese has contributed so lot to this mission. It is really a boon when this mission was started by Bishop Aloysius, Emeritus Bishop now of Mangalore, who took the initiative to start this mission. May God bless this mission and bless all of us.